Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Family Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another awesome weight loss video for you today. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful smoothie that's going to help you with your weight loss journey. It's a meal replacement. You can have this in the morning before breakfast. You can have this in the afternoon for lunch. You can even have it for dinner as a meal replacement as well. Now, I don't mean have it all day as a meal replacement, but hey, if you're on a strict weight loss journey, you can do these and just have a juice blend for throughout the day. But these are wonderful variations of weight loss meal replacement drinks that is going to benefit your body, and you're going to see weight loss in your body, okay? You're going to be burning that fat. So let's start this right now. I'm going to show you what you need for this. You're going to need the juice of 1 lime or lemon. You're going to need 2 apples, okay? Green apples preferably. You're also going to need some oats, okay? I got to get me some more oats. But some raw oats, okay? You're going to need that as well. And to sweeten it, I'm using today some coconut water. Now, you can use regular water, okay? But I know these green apples don't have no type of taste. So I'm going to be using my coconut water, which is slightly sweet, and it gives the drink more flavor, and it's very low in calories, okay? So let's start right now. Now I'm going to start off with 1/2 liter of my coconut water. Oh, one more thing. You're going to need a full-size blender, all right? So like I've been telling you in my prior videos, if you want to know where to find these blenders, this is a NUTRIBULLET. It's the new one that's out. It's powerful, you guys. It is powerful. It really liquefies your smoothies. It blends it down to a liquid form, and I don't care what it is. You're drinking it, okay? It is awesome. So we're going to put that in our blender. Okay. Then you're also going to need 1 cup of your oats. We're going to pop that in the blender as well. Now, for those of you who are time deprived in the mornings, these are things that you can pre-make in the evenings, pop it in the refrigerator, and you're ready in the morning, okay? Now for the green apples, we're going to take the core out. So we're going to decore this. Okay, this is a nice size apple too. Alright, so we're going to take the core out. We don't need the core. And we're going to pop our apples inside our drink. Okay, you're going to do the same to the other one. Okay, that one was a little bit more harder. Alright, and there you got it. Your nicely sliced apples. Pop that into your NutriBullet as well. And lastly, we're going to use the juice of our lemons or limes. Okay, so I'm just going to soften this up a little bit, make it easier to squeeze. And we're just going to juice this. Lots of juice. Wow. Like I said, if you don't have limes, you can use your lemons. Or if you don't have lemons, you can use your limes. And to me, limes are much stronger than lemons. It has a different taste, and it also is powerful. Alright, so let's get to blending this up. Okay? And I can tell you, you're going to need a full-size blender. just gonna pop that on. Awesome. Now we are ready. So you're going to need a big mama or big papa mug. Okay? And wow, look at that. Now if you're on the go, you put this into your travel mug. Sip this along the way. And I mean, smooth and creamy. Look at that, y'all. This really made a lot. Okay, you pop your metal straw in there. Now, like I mentioned in my last videos, if you're new to this channel, I have all the links down below for the NUTRIBULLET as well as the metal straws. So check down below, you guys. Delicious. Now listen, them apples, that oatmeal is going to get you going. It's going to stir you up. It's going to make you feel full longer. It's going to fill you up, and it's going to stir up your intestines. So just know you will be going to the bathroom. All right, won't be extreme, but you will have to go, because if you are familiar with oatmeal, that usually gets you going, as well as apples. So this is an awesome morning, afternoon, evening smoothie. You can blend this and consume this any time of the day. It is awesome, okay? It is wonderful. Drink this in the morning as a meal replacement. In replace of breakfast, you have this, okay? Delicioso. You enjoy this on your way to work. You can also blend this in the afternoon. You can blend this for a meal as far as dinner. If you want to skip dinner, don't skip your meals. Juice your meals, okay? Blend your meals. And you can sip it. Also, if you're going to eat light, healthy meals. Cut out the breads, cut out the starches, cut out the carbs, cut out the sodium, cut out the sugars, cut out all of that while you are on your weight loss journey. And as you use these as meal replacements, believe me, you will see weight loss in your body. This is powerful, you guys. So don't sleep on it. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more wonderful, powerful weight loss smoothies, drinks, meal replacements, all of that. Thumbs up these videos, okay? Give me that like on that like button. Also, check down below for the links for everything that you've seen in this video, whether it's the metal straws or the NutriBullet, as well as other things that are down there. And also check out my new channel, Velvetlox, if you are interested in hair care, skin care, as well as fashion hauls and family vlogs where you get to see my family, you know, family challenges and stuff. Check that channel out where you can see the other side of Velvetlox, okay? So thank you again, you guys. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.